Hello, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Sun and Skittles. I'm Janvi and I love reading books and recommending them. And if you are someone who is obsessed with books and obsessed with reading, and if you also get emotionally attached to fictional characters like me, then you are in the right place because on this channel I will just be yapping about books. I will be recommending you books, I will be posting book reviews, and I will be talking about books that were a hit or a miss for me, and I want you guys to talk to me about books too. Please do it in the comment section because I would love to speak to you all about books. I want to know what books you want to recommend to me. So basically,
Books, and just books.
and since this is my first YouTube video, so I have thought of recommending you some very beginner friendly books that can actually help you start your reading journey and also help you defeat your reading slump. So let's get started. You must have seen this book all over Instagram, and I'm telling you, it is worth the hype. It is one of my favorite Frida McFadden books. And if you want to read a very fast paced, engaging, goosebumpy thriller, then this book is absolutely for you. If you are in a reading slump, bhai, just pick this one up. You are good to go. This book is perfect for a reading slump, and it is actually going to scare you, it is actually going to creep you out, and it is actually going to keep you on the edge of your seat. Now, this is one of my favorite thrillers by an Indian author, and it is about serial killers. If you are someone who is obsessed with serial killer documentaries, because I love watching serial killer documentaries, and if you want to know what goes inside the mind of a serial killer, just pick this one up. You are going to jump out of your bed when the plot twist is going to hit you. शुरुआत में ना तुम्हें ऐसा लगेगा that the story is very simple. It is about a police officer who is just trying to catch a serial killer. Just wait till the plot twist hits you. It is one of the best psychological thrillers by an Indian author. It is very good, very simple to read, and very fast paced. Now, this is a romance thriller, and it is again by an Indian author because I love exploring Indian authors. And it is very easy to read, very beginner friendly. It is about three best friends who are very close, but the relationship dynamics change between them and they get separated. And when I completed this book, I was over flooding with emotions. It is so beautiful. It has all the elements inside it. It has love, it has friendship, it has jealousy, it has sacrifice. Although I did cry a little in the end, not a little, a lot. And I was over flooding with emotions, and I know you are going to over flood with emotions too. So if you want to read something bittersweet, then this book is absolutely for you. If you love to read historical fiction like Thousand Splendid Suns and The Kite Runner, then you should definitely read this book. It talks about a woman's freedom who tries to escape her very difficult life situation, and the ending is going to feel like a ray of sunshine on your face. It is one of those historical fiction books that does not have a sad ending but a very powerful and a very winning ending. So please read this book. It is very beautiful and it feels like a personal win because it talks about women's freedom, and you are actually going to enjoy this one. Now, I am not a Colleen Hoover fan, but this book slaps. It is one of my favorite psychological thrillers. And when I completed this book, I was just staring at the wall and I thought that I needed therapy because I was questioning every character. I was not able to understand what is the truth, what is the lie, whom should I trust? I was so confused, and that is the best part of this book. The plot twist is actually going to play with your head, and it is an amazing psychological thriller. Now, this is a psychological thriller again by an Indian author, and this was actually recommended to me by a reader friend, and I did not expect this book to be this good. It was so good. It was so good that I was not able to believe what I just read, and it is very beginner friendly, very easy to read, and it talks about schizophrenia. Now, I cannot tell you more than this, otherwise, I would be just giving away the whole plot. And I, I was just absolutely shocked by the plot twist. It is an amazing psychological thriller. Amazing. That's it for today, guys. I know I have recommended only 3 to 4 books, but this is my first YouTube video. I am quite nervous, but I want you guys to tell me how my books were. I mean, my book recommendations were. And if you actually choose one of the books that I have recommended and read them, then please let me know. Let me know your review. And you can follow me on Instagram also. And if you like my content, then please consider subscribing because that would mean the world to me. And if you have any good recommendations, then please, the comment section is open. I want you guys to talk to me about books. I want you to give me amazing recommendations. And I'll see you in the next video. Happy reading. Bye bye.